Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Scentiment Diffuser Air 2 Discovery Kit V2 to help you decide whether it's legit or something you should be cautious about. This diffuser promises a premium experience with cold air technology, no heat or water, and fragrance coverage of up to 1,000 square feet. It comes with a 120 milliliter bottle and 3 hotel-inspired scents, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control through an app. The brand also highlights its recycled aluminum build and claims the product is safe for homes with kids or pets. Before we get any further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or websites shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading marketing. Now, online reviews for Scentiment are really mixed, so let's start with what people actually like. Many customers say the fragrances feel emotionally grounding and comforting, almost like a personal moment of calm. The scents are often described as high-quality, layered, and long-lasting, from relaxing ocean breeze notes to rich hotel-style blends. A lot of users love the packaging and appreciate being able to control scent strength through the app or remote. Some even mention great experiences with customer service, especially when shipping delays happened. Overall, the positive reviewers feel the diffuser creates a luxurious atmosphere at home and even replaces their need for candles or wax formers. But then we get to the other side, and it's a big contrast. A significant number of customers report receiving faulty or completely non-working diffusers. What makes it worse is the customer service experience they describe. Long hold times, repeated requests for videos and photos, and very slow or no resolution. Some say even the replacements arrived broken, creating a cycle of troubleshooting with no refund in sight. Others complain about unexpected scent subscriptions, difficulty logging in to cancel, extremely delayed shipping, and compensation that doesn't feel meaningful. A few people even call the whole thing a scam, saying cheaper store-bought diffusers work better. So what's the final verdict? Based on the mixed feedback, it's clear that while Scentiment may not be a full-on scam, it definitely raises serious concerns, especially around product reliability and customer support. If you're considering buying it, be cautious, manage expectations, and do your research before spending your money. Stay safe, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.